electromagnetic radiation. Those radiation which are associated with electric and magnetic field are called electromagnetic radiation. So, if a radiation is occur, it has both electric and magnetic field. Such type of radiations are known as electromagnetic radiation. All of them move with the same speed regardless of their wavelength. So all those rays which arises from those, it move along with the same speed regardless of their wavelength. They travel at a speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, which is called speed of light. It is denoted by the letter C. So electromagnetic radiation, those radiation which are associated with electric and magnetic field are called electromagnetic radiation. You can read this content also. Actually, first we want to know about electromagnetic radiation means we should know about light, correct? Already we have learned about light. Electronic structure of an atom, we need to know something about light. That means an electromagnetic radiation exhibits certain properties of waves. So transverse waves, longitudinal waves. So when something is falling, where the bubble hit the water surface, water appears and it move like a waves. So that shows that different transverse waves and longitudinal waves are there. So this all the properties only shows that electromagnetic radiation. So these are the properties of electromagnetic radiation. It is given in your textbook also. What are the properties of electromagnetic radiation? The energy are emitted from the source and it continuously in the form of radiation, and it is called radiant energy. So whatever any object is heated, or the filament of bulb or anything, it may emit some of the radiations, and it is called radiant energy. And the radiation consists of electric and magnetic field oscillating perpendicular to each other, and both perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the radiation. So the radiation consists of what are the two field, electric and magnetic field. How are they moving? They are oscillating perpendicular to each other and both perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the radiation. And the radiation possesses wave character and travel with the velocity of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So whatever that rays are which are emitting from the body, they travel with the velocity of light, and those waves do not require any material medium for propagation. That means they can move without medium. In vacuum also it can move. For example, rays from the sun reaches through the space which a non-material medium. So these are the properties of nature of electromagnetic radiation. This was given by James Clerk Maxwell in 1864 itself. He has postulated this theory. This is called electromagnetic wave theory. So what do you mean by wave nature? So the idea of de Broglie is another scientist. The detailed study we can see later on. So thinking that fact that light which had been considered to be a wave had the particle nature. So what are the properties of wave? Waves have the characters of wavelength, frequency, velocity, amplitude and wave number. Correct? So this all the properties, the rays have this all the properties. So that is known as wave nature. So wave nature is that a substance which a particle like electron and proton in atom, they behave as a wave nature. This is the wavelength. What do you mean by wavelength? wavelength, it is defined as the distance between any two consecutive crest or trough. It is represented by the letter lambda and its SI unit is meter. So 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So that is the definition of wavelength. What do you mean by wavelength? The distance between any two consecutive crest or trough. It is denoted by the letter lambda and SI unit is meter. What do you mean by particle nature? Particle nature refers that nature of particle in general. For example, it is well known that particles have a fixed position in a space and there is no two particles can't occupy in the same place. That means it has a definite shape and it needs a space to occupy and it has mass. This all the one are known as particle nature. So here that subatomic particle shows that dual nature, that is particle nature and wave nature. So what do you mean by frequency? Frequency of a wave is defined as number of waves passing through a point in 1 second. Number of waves in 1 second. It is known as frequency. It is represented by the letter nu. It is expressed by unit hertz. Hertz is the unit of frequency. So number of oscillation. Wave means it has the oscillatory motion. So frequency is the wave defined as the number of waves in 1 second is known as frequency. Wavelength. What do you mean by wavelength? Already we said that the difference between one crust and another crust. So this distance is known as wavelength. Actually it is a distance. So these all the properties like wavelength, amplitude, frequency are present in subatomic particle. That is what known as wave nature. So what do you mean by amplitude? Amplitude of a wave is the maximum displacement of a oscillatory body. So amplitude of a wave is the height of the crest or the depth of the trough. It is represented by the letter A and its unit is same like length unit, that is meter. So that is amplitude. So what do you mean by velocity? Velocity of a wave is defined as the linear distance travelled by the wave in 1 second. The distance travelled by wave in 1 second is known as its velocity. It is represented by the letter C and is expressed in meter per second. So these all the properties of particle nature and wave nature the light electron has and the light has. Light also contains photons and electrons and nucleons. So these all the properties it has. So that is known as dual nature. This dual nature only make that development of leading to Bohr's model of atom. And another one, wave number. It is defined as the number of wave present in 1 meter length. If you take 1 meter length, how many waves are present in 1 meter length is known as wave number. Wave number formula is nu bar. That means you write nu and write on line at the top is equal to 1 by lambda. So reciprocal of lambda is known as wave number. Reciprocal of wavelength is known as wave number.